Check where I'm at today, ladies and gentlemen. Sportsman's Island. It's a beautiful day today, so we're gonna go check the island out, do a little hike, get it on video. People are breaking sleds out and stuff. There's lots of people here today. Might as well. Last time I was walking out on the ice and crap. I'm not gonna do that today. It's a nice bridge. It's a little cold. Sun in action. Holy shit, man. Should have brought a bigger coat, folks. Show you what's going on here today. This is the town. This is where we're at. It's cool. Let's check this one. That big ass snow hill when I was little. Buddy tried running up that with his truck. This one's froze the frig over. Look. We'll check that out some other friggin' time. Walking these nice tracks. Cold out today, ladies and gentlemen. Freaking cold. I thought it was nice. Nope, cold. Cold. Too cold for me. I'd rather live in California. We would rather live in California. Water tower. Freaking water tower? What is that for? Oh, look at Erskies. They own Purchase. Used to own Purchase, and they sold that beast. Got a bunch of money and built this bridge. Imagine that. Which way we going today, folks? It's cold out here in the open. Woods. You can hear people talking. Signs. A little nature walk. John the Picker. People just chilling. Kids going down the hills and shit. What? That's what I want to be doing. Should bring my sledge shit. I ain't going down that way right this minute. I'm gonna go up this hill. Nature run, boys. You ain't never been on a nature hike in the winter? This is it. cold. Which way should we go? Gotta track through 3 foot of freaking snow. This guy.
He's everybody's friend right now. He's a puppy, so he's excited about seeing anybody. He's a golden doodle.
Golden doodle?
Yeah, part golden retriever, part golden lab, and part standard poodle. 60, 70 pounds by the time he's through.
He's fluffy, eh?
Yeah, he doesn't shed either. Very nice dog. And he's a puppy. He's got the sharp puppy teeth, so beware.
Yeah. I've had a few dogs, so.
Come on.
You guys have a nice day.
You too. Come on.
This is pretty much where the trail led that went into the woods to a lookout point. Hospital. Here's the old big boy. I guess somebody's gonna make that into something different. Not positive. Brett's Auto. Car wash next to that. There's the bank. One time we pulled up to this bridge with a boat, caught a little fish. We're doodling around with the fish, and all of a sudden this big old snapper come out and ate it. You had to drag the snapper up into the boat, get him off the line. Biggest snapper ever, folks. Right under that bridge. Snapping turtles. Oh, somebody's ice fishing today over there. We have to get that. We're gonna go check those guys out with the ice fishing rigs over there. Got a little bit of friggin' snow. That's all Thunder Bay River. It's frozen right now. We'll check that out in a second. Feel like a robot. Cedar trees over there, in case you guys didn't know. Where the heck were these guys going? Shit. They want to see every bridge. We're gonna go over this way. Cut this dude off. I just want to get these ice shanties. I want to go check that other bridge out. Screw that. Cold out, ladies and gentlemen. Freaking cold. Look. You ever walk around in the ice box? Yeah. Excuse me. Alright, we're going to continue our journey on down the line here, ladies and gentlemen. Ice fishing action going on. I wouldn't be out there personally, but hey, people got to get their fish, right? Don't play games around here. Continuing our hike. I like it when it's not frozen, but hey, we'll get it when it's frozen and when it's not frozen. Might as well. Looks a lot better when it's not frozen. There's the water tower. Some monster ass fish out there too. Except for I can never catch them. That's the problem. That tis be the problem. Maybe you need to ice fish them, like dudes doing. If you pull up in a boat, they take off quicker than shit. My video is Sportsman's Island. People don't like it, I don't give a shit. Don't care. It's cold, snowy as you can tell. Thunder Bay River. Shit, the fairgrounds is over there. You've seen the videos, you know what I'm talking about. You know where the big black building is. Yeah, you can slide right down that hill right into the lake, boys. Is that Walmart? Oh, that's the fairgrounds. Look like Walmart. Look like Walmarts. And they got the trail beaten now very good. I know everybody's gonna be like, why didn't you go out on the ice? Because I don't want to. I want to be out on the ice. I'd rather stay safe today. Jeez. Seems like if I don't do something to half kill myself, people dislike the videos. Unbelievable. A little hill, the jump. What? A little sledding hill. Looks like they created a little slush ski. We're running out of battery already. Should have let it charge longer. Thunder Bay River, frozen in ice. Imagine that. Next month, it'll be all gone. Hopefully. That's what we hoping, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Exploring northern Michigan. We're hiking today. I like hiking. Kevin Balmer from Alpena, Michigan, he likes to hike, play guitars. Alright. Get that. They're hitting jumps big times. Probably on a snowboard, I'm guessing. Snowboarding. Probably jumped right off of that. Look, it's the fairgrounds. It's where Josh Thompson played right there. Good old Josh Thompson played up in there. Josh Grayson, Joe Diffie, Garth Brooks. Not one rap person up in there. Come on now. There's some Eminem up in there. Imagine a big old buck running out. Wow. Biggest 20-pointer. There's some tracks. Probably a raccoon or something. Who knows? Somebody tell us what that track was, please. Johnny needs to know. I doubt anybody's gonna watch the video this long. If you watched the video this long, please comment and say, yeah, I watched the friggin' video. If you hear that, comment. Freezing to death out here. Try to get a good video for you guys. What is this? You kidding me? One last leaf in that tree hanging on for dear life. Saying no, please. What do we got going on here? What are these guys doing today? I was hoping I'd get something. I was like, this is getting pretty boring as shit. And we find these guys, look at them. They must be just frozen. I should go try to grab one. Did he put his head down? Shit, that didn't work, boys. I even screamed and tried to get their attention after I cut the camera off, and they still ain't popping their heads up. They're perched for the winter, boys. They ain't moving anywhere. This noisy ass. He's landing up in that tree. Thinks I don't see him. We don't get him. Get him on video. What is he? Noisy as shit. Blackbird. Friggin' blackbird. Noisy. I don't like noisy ass birds. Kidding me? Shut up! Shit. Stupid birds. I like birds that can talk. Like Donald Trump says, we're tired of losers, we want us a winner. Alright guys. I ain't going down there, that's for sure. This here's a cedar tree case. Y'all ain't never seen one of them. Cedar, no, cutting wreaths from November till October. We got October. Sometimes they start taking it earlier than that. Alright, we're gonna go down here today and check this out. Somebody was coming, I didn't want to get him on video, so I cut the camera off. The guy was alright because he didn't have his face really. This is awesome. What? Better not blur up. You guys are all quack and no get up. Some shit. All quack and doesn't do nothing. Stepping this way today. Whew. Almost slipped on my ass, boys. This is pretty cool, like when it starts melting like that. These guys quacking about. Uh-oh. We got something going on. They're pissed. Scared the ducks away taking pictures, boys. Look at that. You wanna go swimming? I don't wanna go swimming. Cedars all over up in here. Guys over there got some pretty nice ass houses. Rich folk, boy. It's rich folk. If I ever get some money, I ain't never buying a house that big. Shit. That's a joke. We are almost done with this island. Took forever to get around this friggin' thing. That big ass hill. It's pretty cool though. That big ass tree, eh? Church bells going off already. Somebody is talking over there. Even the church bell sounds crazy, don't it? Doom, doom. Holy shit. I would take a video of just a bell going off. That'd be awesome. Alright, we're gonna finish the rest of this trail off, and then I'm gonna bust back the other way so we can see it double time. We'll see what it looks like going this way, and then we'll see what it looks like going this way. How does that sound? Oh yeah, the stairs are just right there, so we're just gonna walk back this way, redo the island. I don't know if I should go that way. We'll go back down through here. Screw it, might as well make it cool. Feel like a deer, boys. Freaking deer. Usually have some kind of nest on there, or box for a nest. You guys get what I'm saying? Shit. There's the tallest oak in these parks, boys. We went by the lake last time. Go around through here. Too much stuff happening around here today. Can't see nothing. Tell me if this looks like a different thing when I do it in reverse. It's awesome. Down this way. Oh shit. We're sliding, boys. I'm not going any further. Son's a bitch. Fell on my ass. It's not good. Yep, can't see nothing here. Let's go back up. Shit. Why would you come down here? slip and fall again, I'm gonna be pissed. Holy shit. Alright, nature hike continues with John the Picker. Just 5 seconds ago I fell. Yep, I freaking fell, boys. Everybody does it. Everybody freaking does it. Man, I'm gonna go mess with them ducks. Wake them up. They're out there. See, dude's ice shanty right through here. I don't know what's going on with all these ducks. Anybody ask if I get out of breath in the video? Yeah, you hiking this shit. Plus the cold takes your breath away. Cold takes your breath away. Needless to say, if I don't have a path to that building, I ain't going to it. Hate to tell you. A little bit of pine ski. White pine, folks. White pine. They put that in Christmas wreaths too. You can sell it. You can sell it. Money grows on trees now, ladies and gentlemen. In case you didn't know. This island's awesome in the summertime. We'll walk right up here today. They were probably doing some trick. Dropping in off this. Dropping in off this, hitting that. That'd be awesome. Freaking awesome. Might as well get the stone while we're at it. A little bit of reading for you. Holy shit, folks. Alright, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. I just got freaking snow in my shoe. That is not good today, folks. Not good. We're gonna walk up to this house ski. Check that beast out. I don't know what it used to be. I ain't no expert here. Here are people over here. I know they write their names on it and do different stuff. Break some new ground here. Where we're at, folks. They got this building all camouflaged up. It's pretty cool. Alright, we're about done with our tour of the friggin' island. Emma, will you go out with me? What a loser. Don't do it, Emma. Don't do it. Holy shit. I'm just joking. It's probably fucking 10 foot tall. I don't want to go that way because there's people, so we're going to go back this way. I'm lost. Great. Friggin' lost, ladies and gentlemen. Like that episode on TV. Gonna get out of here now. Hopefully there's a Taco Bell somewhere nearby. I didn't wake up in time for Taco Bell breakfast. They stopped serving that at 11. I didn't eat McDonald's breakfast for 20 years because they didn't serve it all day. Shit. What do they think, I'm gonna get up early? What do they think I am? Nature hike's almost over, thankfully. Thank God. I can say I ain't as cold as I was when I first got here. Nature walking with John the Picker. We seen a dog. We seen some freaking ducks. Who knows where Frosty the snowman is? I'm sure he's around. Look at how all the snow is still on the trees and stuff. That's neat. Alright, our nature walk continues today, ladies and gentlemen. We're almost done today. We're right at the bridge, as you can tell. And we'll walk that back in reverse style. Somebody was hating up on my Arby's video. Can you hate on my Arby's video? The end. Finally made it, ladies and gentlemen. They still got it decorated for Christmas with lights and stuff. There's the stairs. I don't think I'm gonna walk up there today. Let's check this sign out. This will show you what we just did. That's the park right there. We're here right now, which means we walked all the way around it, and then I walked all the way back around it, just like that. That'll pretty much show you that. We didn't leave nothing. We almost got hurt. Thankfully I didn't. Thankfully I didn't. I almost slipped on some snow ski. A little bit slippery today. Yep. Park is pretty cool. Sportsman's Island, whatever you want to call it. We'll get some video of the cars driving by and stuff. Water blowing. Freaking packed today, ain't it? Situations. Nice ass bridge though, eh? If you watch my show, you can see him putting parts of this up. It's freaking awesome. Awesome. Everybody knows that shit's awesome. Wait, look where you're at that. Oh, you can't have his name on it. Some bitch. Oh, fucking shit, man. We are almost done. Car is right over there. I'm about ready to cut this video. John Picker. I'm out. That big ass building. I want to buy that and make that in my house. Put about 90 flat screen TVs in there. Hook it all up to the internet.